Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Stephen Aitchison. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of technical analysis for SPS, which is Splinterlands. And I've kind of looked at this before on Twitter, but I don't think I've ever done a video on it. So we'll look at the traffic light charts for this, which is really easy or really simple technical analysis. And we'll go on to the daily first of all. You can see on the daily, we're kind of trading in this channel just now. So we've been trading in that channel since the end of July, to be honest, really since kind of Splinterlands came onto the market. So we've been trading in that channel and we're not really breaking out of that 50 cent area. It's kind of tried to get through it before, but didn't quite get there. So that's the channel we're trading in just now. And I fully expect this to come out of this channel very, very soon. We'll go back to the 4 hour. And you can see quite clearly how long this has kind of been going on. We've got a 40 cent resistant area there just now. We're going to take that out at the moment and just leave the 50 cent area in just now. You can see it's knocked on the door a couple of times. So it's danced with the kind of 50 cent area a couple of times, but not quite broken through it confidently enough yet. It's kind of wicked through it, but not confidently broken through it. And that's the next stage I'm kind of looking for just now. It's got strong support at 22 cents for Splinterlands. I don't think we'll get back down there. Depends on what the market does. If Bitcoin takes a big dip down, we could get back down to 22 cents. And that'll be a good accumulation zone. So really what people have been doing, they've just been accumulating since the end of July. Since it had that kind of big rise up, kind of big fall down. And they've been accumulating since then. A lot of things going on with Splinterlands just now. A lot of people joining. They've got the Chaos Legion coming out soon, which will bring a lot more players in. That's cheaper as well for the NFTs. So that's going to bring a lot more players in. We've got about 130,000 players. This is going to explode. This is one of our $1 million projects as well, meaning that this could easily 40 to 50x in the next 6 months to a year. And if you're holding round about, I don't know, $30,000 worth of Splinterlands just now, you could easily get to $1 million. So that's what we're kind of looking for in our group. We're looking to hold really good projects, $30,000 to $40,000 worth. If we can build up to that, just keep buying on the dips, build up to $30,000 worth. And then when it goes 40 to 50x, you've got $1 million project on your hands in your portfolio. You don't have to build up to that, but that's kind of what we're looking at just now. So we have strong resistance here at 50 cents. You can see very, very clearly here, strong resistance. It's never really broken through that 50 cent area with any conviction. Once it breaks through that, holds that, and uses the 50 cent area as support, then we can expect it to go up to that $1 range and then on to the all-time high of $1.40. So that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm expecting to happen for Splinterlands very, very soon. And I think by the end of September, we're going to see it crashing through 50 cents without a doubt. Unless the whole market takes a huge dip, and then we're going to be eyeing that $1 area again. And from there, we're going to be into price discovery. But for me, this is definitely a 40 to 50x coin project. I think huge things coming up in the future for it. And I can see a bright future for Splinterlands as well. I think this is going to be absolutely massive. Okay, until next video, namaste. Take care. Bye now.